What if I told you that Mars wasn't always the frozen red desert we see today? Billions of years ago, Mars may have looked surprisingly similar to Earth. Scientists have found enormous, dried-up river valleys, ancient lake beds, and minerals that could only have formed in liquid water. That means Mars once had rivers flowing across its surface, massive lakes, and perhaps even an ocean covering part of the planet. If you could travel back more than 3 billion years, you might not recognize the Mars we see today. Instead of endless red dust, you could have seen flowing water, towering volcanoes, and a much thicker atmosphere than the one that exists now. So what happened? How did a world that may once have been wet and potentially habitable become the cold, dry planet we know today? The answer lies deep inside Mars itself. Mars is only about half the diameter of Earth and has much less mass. Because it is smaller, it lost its internal heat much faster than Earth did. Over time, its core cooled, and as it cooled, the magnetic field that once protected the planet weakened and eventually disappeared. That magnetic field was incredibly important. Earth's magnetic field acts like an invisible shield, constantly protecting our atmosphere from the powerful stream of charged particles flowing from the sun, known as the solar wind. Without that protection, those particles can gradually strip away a planet's atmosphere. That's exactly what scientists believe happened to Mars over millions of years. The solar wind slowly eroded the Martian atmosphere until it became too thin to support stable liquid water on the surface. As the atmosphere disappeared, everything changed. Air pressure dropped dramatically, temperatures fell, and the water that once flowed across the surface either escaped into space or froze beneath the ground. Rivers stopped flowing, lakes dried up, any oceans that may have existed vanished. Mars slowly transformed into the cold, dusty desert we see through telescopes and spacecraft today. Even today, Mars remains a fascinating world. The average surface temperature is about -63 degrees Celsius. Although temperatures can vary greatly depending on the season and location, giant dust storms can sweep across the entire planet, sometimes lasting for weeks or even months. Mars is also home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano ever discovered in our solar system. It stands about 22 kilometers tall, making it nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. The planet also contains Valles Marineris, a canyon system stretching roughly 4,000 kilometers, making it one of the largest canyons known anywhere in the solar system. Despite its harsh conditions, Mars continues to surprise scientists. Spacecraft orbiting the planet have detected huge amounts of water ice beneath its surface and at its polar ice caps. Several robotic missions have also discovered ancient rocks and minerals that formed in the presence of water billions of years ago. These discoveries strengthen the idea that Mars once had the ingredients needed to support microbial life, even if no direct evidence of past life has been found so far. That's why Mars has become one of the most explored planets beyond Earth. Robotic explorers such as Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance have traveled across its surface, collecting rock samples, analyzing the soil, studying the atmosphere, and searching for signs that ancient life may once have existed. Every new discovery helps scientists better understand not only Mars but also Earth's own history and how planets evolve over billions of years. Many scientists also believe that humans could eventually set foot on Mars, although enormous challenges remain, including radiation exposure, extreme temperatures, limited resources, and the long journey through space. Engineers and space agencies are already developing technologies that could one day make a human mission possible. If that happens, it will mark one of the greatest achievements in human history. Mars is more than just another planet. It is a time capsule that may hold clues about the early history of our solar system and perhaps even the origins of life itself. Every mission brings us one step closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we truly alone in the universe? Or there are ancient civilizations that can't get to us due to the distance in space-time? Truth is, we might not even know, and that alone creates more mystery about our observable universe. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.